What's up, guys? Boy here. Today we're going to be diving into this unknown pocket knife we're going to be talking about. Let's uh let's get started. Okay, why I'm actually saying I don't have any information about it. So, here's what the thing says. It says cut, which is right there. But the thing is, it's you see the clear out there. It's the SOU, but it just like goes around the thing. And okay, there's OM on there, and there's CO on there, or something like that. But so this one is made of wood. There is basically 5 bolts on it, like one there, I recall. There's 5 bolts attached on both sides. Little steel piece there, which you can see right here. Of course, the thing looks like a hawkbill out there, or kind of like the K-bar pestilence chopper, I recall. So what did I got this? I got this at a show out there for like 50 cents. Yeah, kind of pretty weird. Of course, there's like steel pieces, like both, onto the blade too. Let's see, let's focus on that. Yeah, these pretty thin pieces out there. So, the size-wise, the blade is like 3 inches. Meanwhile, the handle, it's like 4. Yeah, typically like 4 inch, almost 4.5 inches. Meanwhile, the overall size is gonna be like 7.5 inches. So let's test this bad boy out. So the result on this one's not the best. I mean, like I tried, like the sharpness out there is, yeah, pretty sharp, but not like can just cut through the bottle out there. So I'm gonna say to myself out here, the verdict rating is gonna be a 6 out of 10, and it's a decent knife out there, and it's not bad out there. So this wraps up this unknown hawkbill folding knife, which if anyone knows, down on the comment section below, I would love to know, and even the information I needed. So if I got that information, I can actually maybe redo this video and stuff like that. So that wraps it up. I'm Boy, and I'm signing out. I'll see you guys next time.